With electricity and gas bills increasing, making small changes to how you cook can reduce the amount of gas and electricity that you use, helping you save money. Here are 5 ways to cut costs in the kitchen.
Number 1. Speed matters. Ask yourself if there is a quicker, more efficient way to cook something. If you're using an oven, could you use a microwave or an air fryer instead? Number 2. Utilise space. Utilise the size of your appliances for what you're cooking. Don't use large appliances such as an oven to cook something that you could fit in an air fryer or a microwave. For example, by using a steamer, you could boil potatoes on the bottom and steam vegetables on the top. Number 3. Keep it in and keep it closed. Where possible, put a lid on your pots and pans to save on boiling time. Also try to reduce the amount of times you open the oven door when cooking so that you don't lose the temperature. It's the same with lifting the lid too often on a slow cooker as well. Number 4. Batch cooking. Another way to be more efficient with your energy is to batch cook, cooking enough to do a few meals and freezing portions for a later date. Number 5. Don't leave on standby. When you're finished, turn off your appliances. Your electric oven, microwave and dishwasher eat up electricity when left on standby.
That is 5 ways that you can save money on energy when cooking. For more information, visit our website at www.consumercouncil.org.uk.